One of the most dreaded events during a Texas summer is an air conditioner malfunction at night or on the weekend. From June through August, it's not uncommon for our temps to stay in the 90s. When it's high noon on a Saturday and your AC experiences any of these issues, you begin to panic. But should you shell out the extra money for an after-hours fee? Keep watching to find out. Troubleshoot. Check a few things about your air conditioner to make sure you need emergency HVAC repair. The issue could involve a simple solution. You don't want to pay a maintenance specialist to charge you for an emergency house call when the problem is a clogged air filter. Check the filter, make sure your AC unit has power, and double check your thermostat. Break out fans. Gather every fan you can find. While fans don't cool the air, circulating air helps you feel cooler. Run the ceiling fans, box fans, the attic fan, and borrow fans from your neighbors to get the air moving in your home. Here's a fun bonus tip for you. Place a bowl of ice in front of your box fan. The air blowing across the ice creates a cool airflow. Don't cook. Running the oven or your stove adds heat to your home. If the AC isn't cooling, there's no need to add more heat. Use this opportunity to spend some time away from home. Go out for dinner or head to your local park for a fun, impromptu picnic. Take cold showers. Cool off with a cold shower. You might be surprised how much better you'll feel without your AC after a refreshing shower. You should feel the cooling effects for several hours after your shower. Cover your windows. You might love the sunshine streaming in your French doors, but that sunlight is increasing the temperature inside your home. When you need emergency air conditioning repair, close the blinds to reduce the amount of heat in your home. It won't make as big of a difference as some of our other tips, but every degree counts when your AC is out. Texas summers are no joke. If you've tried all these makeshift cooling methods and still can't cool down, it's time to call your local heating and cooling company. Whether it's an emergency or a routine inspection, contact us and let us help keep you and your family cool. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.